Taking notes isn't as easy as it sounds. It's not just about writing down what you hear or what you think. It's about focusing and interacting. It's rather collecting the information, which is otherwise lost. Now, earlier, whenever you had an idea, you would take out a sheet of paper and get writing. But since we are in the age of advancement and innovation, we have tons and tons of apps so that you can create, innovate, share at home, at work, or even at the go. And so, in this video, I'm going to talk about top 5 apps that you can use to take better notes and organize your life. Guys, my name is Kamran from KRSN Studio, and I make videos on technology, tips and tweaks on how to be productive using technology. And hey, if you're new here, consider subscribing. Let's get started. So let's talk about a few benefits of note-taking online. One could be organizing information. Now, if you're using a note-taking app, it is very easy to organize. It acts as a second brain, which you can refer any time. Secondly, it creates a condensed record of information, which is absolutely amazing. Thirdly, it can give you what you need when you need. And fourthly, it saves a lot of time. So let's talk about the 5 note-taking apps. Fifth app in the list is Simple Notes. And as the name implies, it is as simple as it can get. For starters, there is not even a title field or something, and it automatically gets titled. Unlike competitors like Evernote or Google Keep Note, the interface of Simple Note is dead simple. No notebooks, no image attachment, no grocery list, nothing. Just a notepad and you. Depending on the usage you want to give it, it might be a good thing or a bad thing. If you just want a way to organize random notes in a place while syncing them across devices, then Simple Note is perfect for you. However, more capability, then that is not what Simple Note was created for. And trying to use it for complex workflow and just being frustration to it. Well, if you're one of those guys which write random thoughts that come in your mind or anything basic stuff, then Simple Note is for you. But if you're into serious note taking, then Simple Note cannot be considered for you. Now, the fourth app in the list is Evernote. Evernote is a note-taking app which a professional might have used once or even have heard about. It is a very popular note-taking app which you can use to prioritize and organize your projects and to-do list. Now, there are lots of benefits of Evernote. It is very easy to use. You can create notes and organize within a few seconds, add a title, edit some text, and your note is created. Secondly, it has cross-platform syncing, so whenever you write a note and save it, you can access it from any device you can use. And the third advantage of Evernote is that it is integrated with Gmail and OneDrive, which makes it easier to access. And if you use any other tool, chances are it can be integrated with Evernote. But there is one downfall to Evernote, that it has only limited free edition. Now, if you are not a student, rather you are a professional or a businessman, you can use Evernote, which is absolutely incredible. But rather, if you are a student and you are starting to take notes online, then stay tuned for further. The third app in the list is from Google, which is known as the Google Keep. Now, it is the best app if you're getting started with note taking. With just a few clicks, you can add titles and organize things accordingly. Google Keep is very easy to use. One of the most greatest benefits of Keep is its seamless integration with entire Google ecosystem. It means that you rely heavily on Google, Google Drive, or even Google Docs. Items in your Keep app can be shared directly with other users without having to go through the typical share menu programs. I think Google Keep is the best note if you're getting started. The only thing Google Keep does not have is the feature of hierarchy. The reason it is number 3rd on the list. But I think it is quite a powerful app if you're just beginning to take notes. Now, the second app in the list is OneNote. Now, Microsoft's OneNote is the most powerful note taker for the modern business. OneNote helps you securely save personal information and project-related data in just one place. It's certainly one of the most powerful note-taking apps for digital notes and organizing them. As a digital notebook, OneNote can save your notes on the cloud and sync it with other devices. Now, OneNote uses OneDrive for cloud storage and sharing space with other Microsoft Office products like Word, Excel, plus whatever other files you stash in the cloud. OneNote is available on Windows, Mac OS, Android, and even on iOS and every platform you can think of, which makes it very easy to access. The reason why OneNote takes second place in the list is because it is absolutely free for everything. And taking notes on OneNote is as simple as possible. You can even import documents or Excel sheets from your OneDrive cloud storage. Now, the first note-taking app in the list is Notion. And it is the number one note taking app in my opinion. I have been using Notion for about 4 to 5 months from now, and it's been a game changer in my life. Now, using Notion, I've been able to organize all the notes in one place, even a YouTube video schedule like this right now. Notion is an all-in-one workspace for notes, documentations, projects, tasks, database, and even knowledge base. With Notion, you and your team can write, plan, collaborate, and can organize using just one tool. Notion for team is to help and track, plan, and to do all their work in one place. And regardless of number of projects a team has, they are able to check on them anytime right away. This is so beneficial for teams with remote members as they can easily have a undefined view of tasks. Notion's feature allows you to add various type of content. This includes videos, code, bookmarks, images, and all other things. Users only need to drag and drop the content and arrange them in a way they like. More than being just a text editor, Notion uses database to track all the notes and documents. Furthermore, users can also tag teammates and custom keywords. They have the option to keep these notes private or share them with the team or the entire web. Notion also has a feature of duplicating a template. It allows users to duplicate a template from other users and use it in their own system. It Thomas Frank's note-taking template, which is absolutely mind-blowing, and it also has a nested hierarchy organization, which makes it absolutely a powerful note-taking app. More on the Notion note-taking app in the further videos. I think Notion is one of the best note-taking app I have ever used. That were top 5 note-taking apps that you can use to organize your notes. Alright guys, that's been it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash the like button. Sub if you haven't already. My name is Kamran. You're watching TR7 Studio, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.